Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all a few sketches, well, a rough sketch of things that I plan on doing for my internship. And I'll be using Fashionary Sketchbook. This is their menswear book, and when you open the book it has an array of information. So it teaches you how to change your measurements from inches to centimeters. It has a glossary, it has care labels, fabric swatches, the terms, and all that good stuff in the book. And so also, I'm not the best sketcher, so I use a croquis book, and this book actually has the croquis already pre-planned out for me, and I just can sketch over them. Now this one here is their women's book. I've been using it. It has the same information, if not more. They have hairstyles for women. They have the same care labels. They have that big glossary there. And so you can see I've been sketching in this book, just pre-planning out things. And so that little tearaway that I just moved, that was for their kids. And so let's just get to sketching, y'all. Those are the two books that I have now. I'll leave a link down below. So in this one, I have my mind map. I just did a mind map of the ideas that I had. I'm going to be showing y'all my inspiration board. So I was inspired by the country Africa. So I just basically wrote out ideas that came to me. I suggest you mind map, and this is my target market. I just have to fill it in. And this is my inspiration board. So I haven't done it on Photoshop or anything, but I was trying to tie two cultures together basically because I go to Auburn University, and I was just inspired by the culture of Africa and their traditions and the colors, and you know, Auburn Tigers, they're orange and blue, so that is why my fabrics are orange and blue. And I ordered these fabrics from Etsy.com, and I can also leave a link down below of where I got them from. So y'all, I'm titling my project Rooted because I'm just pulling heritage. Y'all. And so you can see I have Alabama, I have the Auburn Tiger there, I have the country Africa, and you can see that it is rooted. So let's get to sketching. I have my pencil, I have my sketchbook, and I have these erasable Crayola color pencils, y'all. So that was my first time using these things. So I'm just gonna rough sketch. I'm not gonna too much talk about what I plan on doing for real. I'm not gonna sketch that many menswear designs either. I just want something to kind of flow in with the women and the men. Women and the kids. So y'all are gonna see me kind of mess up a little bit here and there, but I'm just sketching. So just enjoy the video, and I will talk to y'all in a second. Now here I'm basically just adding some details that I want. I actually want to utilize this satin fabric that I bought. So you can see on the jacket, I wanted to do this single breasted like jacket blazer type deal for the man. And then I came up with this idea to do maybe a suspender of the same fabric, just to utilize it a little bit more. But I think this was just, you know how you're just sketching, so you just feel like you just need to do something. And I'm trying to make it as detailed as possible, but it's a rough sketch. So his sleeves would be cuffed, and this is him without the blazer, basically, without the jacket. So yeah, that is, I don't know, y'all. I just go with the flow. Like sometimes I have to step away from sketching and come back to like reevaluate myself. So I might add on later on to this. Now I'm just taking out my color pencils, and I'm just basically finna swatch them to see if it's the color to match the fabric, pretty much. And then I'm just gonna color, and I should have used some markers, but I'm gonna do that later when I do the full rendering of it. So yeah. Now here is where I kind of realized that the picture that I had did not match the actual fabric that I had. So I had to erase and start those details over. So it's a good thing that these color pencils actually have an eraser, y'all. Because y'all know color pencils did not come with erasers back in the freaking 90s. So if you was born in 94, that's when I was born. Color pencils did not come with freaking erasers. Shoot, I don't even think they were out back then. But yeah, I'm just changing the details of it. I can't get every minute detail down. Like I said, this is just a rough sketch, and this is just me trying to get out the visuals. I can't talk, y'all. The visualization of the actual garment before I make the actual prototype for it. Now I'm finishing up coloring in this jacket, but I'm not finna color this whole thing yet until I do the full rendering of the mom and dad layout. Now I'm just, like I said, I'm just adding in stuff, y'all. So I'm finna show y'all my sketches of the dress that I think I want to do for the mom, and I'm kind of undecided between either doing feathers or fringe, because I want movement and I want it to be free. Like I want that African dance vibe, like you're moving. Like I want that vibe. So I'm drawing fringe on the man's blazer and on the side seams of his pants, because I just, you know, you want to move, you want to groove, you want to get into the rhythm, and this is inspired by Africa, so how can I not? So I'm kind of laying out all of the sketches that I have thus far, and I'm trying to just match them up. So I know for sure the dad and the son are going to match, and the mom and daughter are going to kind of match too, having that movement under the bottom, y'all. So this is my rough sketch, you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.